morning. Good morning to you all. We are going to learn today formation of questions. Why it is necessary to learn formation of questions? Because formation of questions is one of the most important aspects of any language, and therefore it is must to know how to form the questions. So first of all, we have to know what is meant by a question. A question is a sentence in which one requests to know something is called a question. It means a question is nothing but a sentence in which we ask some information from other person. So the word which is used to ask a question is known as an interrogative. There are 8 types of important interrogatives. First one is who. Who is used to ask a question about a person. Person means a व्यक्ति. Next one is where. Interrogative here is used to ask a question about a place. Place म्हणजे स्थळ. Interrogative when is used to ask question about a time. You know very well time. Then interrogative why is used to know reason of any action or anything. म्हणजे एखाद्या गोष्टीचं जर आपल्याला कारण समजून जर घ्यायचं असेल तर आपण why या इंट्रोगेटिव्हचा उपयोग करतो. नेक्स्ट हाउ. इट मीन्स मॅनर. वी कॅन से मेथड. एखादी पद्धती कशी आहे एखादं कार्य करायची हे जर आपल्याला जाणून घ्यायचं असेल तर त्यावेळेस आपण हाऊ या इंट्रोगेटिव्हचा आपण उपयोग करत असतो. त्यानंतर व्हिच. एखादी चॉईस किंवा एखादी गोष्ट जर रेस्ट्रिक्टेड मॅनरने जर आपल्याला विचारायची असेल तर त्यावेळेस आपण व्हिच या इंट्रोगेटिव्हचा उपयोग करत असतो. हुज. पोजेशन म्हणजे एखाद्या गोष्टीवर असलेला अधिकार किंवा मालकी हक्क. याबद्दल जर आपल्याला प्रश्न विचारायचा असेल कोणाला तर त्यावेळेस आपण हुज या इंट्रोगेटिव्हचा आपण उपयोग करायला पाहिजे किंवा आपण करत असतो. आणि त्यानंतर व्हॉट. जनरल मध्ये जर समजा एखाद्या ऍक्शन बद्दल, कृतीबद्दल, एखाद्या विचाराबद्दल किंवा एखाद्या ऑब्जेक्ट बद्दल, एखाद्या कर्माबद्दल जर समजा आपल्याला प्रश्न विचारायचा असेल तर अशा वेळेस आपण कोणत्या इंट्रोगेटिव्हचा उपयोग करूया? व्हॉट या इंट्रोगेटिव्हचा आपण उपयोग करूया. नाउ we are going to learn some examples of different interrogatives. First one is who. And already we have learned that it is related about a person. How can we make question? Who is that man? This may be a possible answer. He is my neighbor. We can say he is my friend. He is my brother. Next example, where, about a place. How can we make question with the help of where? We can ask question, where do you live? Answer may be I live in London. Where do you study? What may be the answer? I study at study center. We can say. Next one is when. When did he arrive? What is the answer? He arrived in the afternoon. When did you come? We can answer I came in the morning. Next one is why, reason. Why are you leaving? Because I am tired. Why are you sitting here? We can ask next question. We can say I am waiting for my mother. Next one is how. That is, it is about a manner. That means method. How do you come? I come by train. We can say I come by bus. I come by car. What? Action, object or idea. What was he doing? He was writing a story. Next, what do you want? Object, I want a book. Next one is, how do you feel? Sorry. Next one is which, that is choice. Which story was he writing? He was writing a story, but which story he was writing? He was writing a horror story. Whose? About possession. Whose book is this? We can answer, this is my book, or we can say it's mine. So in this way we have seen some examples of various interrogatives, and now you have to make your own examples and show me in the next class. Thank you.